Hello there, I'm Eliza Simpson. I'm an American accent coach on the BoldVoice app, and as an accent coach, I help professionals around the globe speak English with clarity and confidence. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the features of the BoldVoice app, your fast pass to confident, clear speech in English. First, download the BoldVoice app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app, the first step is to answer a few questions so that BoldVoice can understand your goals and personalize your learning experience. It will ask for your name, what motivates you to work on accent skills, what you feel your fluency level is, and what your native language is, or the language that you're most comfortable with. And this is valuable because the app will select lessons based on these answers to customize the curriculum for your goals. The app will also ask if there are areas you want to improve beyond pronunciation. Finally, we'll set a daily reminder to practice. This is a super helpful tool to turn your speech practice into a habit. 10 minutes a day is all you need to make progress. Now, BoldVoice is subscription-based, but you can use it for the first 7 days risk-free. So go ahead and start enjoying your free week. Next, SpeechScan. This is where the app listens to your voice to diagnose your accent and pinpoint the sounds you need to practice. I will mispronounce some words on purpose so that you can see how the SpeechScan hears them. Let's start with TH sounds. I made 3 sugar cookies and a great fig cake. Let's do one more. Who is the new theater student over there? Okay. I've completed my sentences, and let's see the results. Here is my overall speech level, again, because I made some intentional mistakes. I can see the sounds that I excel at, and I can see the sounds that are a challenge for me. For example, it's telling me that my TH sounds need work. These results will be the foundation of your personalized learning journey. Even better, as you make progress on the app, your journey will adapt to you, so it's always current. So next we go to the home screen. This is where you'll arrive when you open the app every day. It will have 2 new activities selected each day based on your unique needs. And these can be short video lessons, practice exercises, English idioms, or conversations. I love this. As soon as I finish the SpeechScan, on day 1, it shows me my most challenging words so that I can take another crack at getting them correct. Theater. And you can see that the challenging sound shows up in red, and it helps me find what I need to fix. And now I will say that sound correctly. Theater. There you have it, high score. I'll give you a peek into what your day 2 might look like. Let's do this video lesson together. Hi there, let's look at the difference between the s and z. This is one of my favorite topics because these sounds get mixed up more than you realize. And there's an easy fix. What I love about the video lessons is that we start out with just a little bit of foundational knowledge, and then we get right into trying things. Here I'm learning how to make the sound, and then I'm asked to make it right away. And I'm gonna mispronounce this. Sue. I get scored on that pronunciation. Looks like I need to fix this sound, so let's give it another try. Zoo. Fixed it. At the end of the lesson, I get shown a summary of everything that was discussed. And I really appreciate this step because it clears up anything I didn't understand and puts all that knowledge in one place. You can continue to practice words and sentences related to the lesson that you just completed. Another feature to check out is the AI chat. This is where you can apply what you've learned in the lessons to real conversations. I'll walk you through my resume in chronological order. And then I get feedback on those pronunciations right away. You can also talk about any topic you choose, and this is a great way to practice for scenarios that might come up in your life. Now, one of my favorite resources in the app is the sound library. This feature has a little colored square for every sound in the American accent. Remember, pronunciation doesn't always match spelling. So I use this resource to get more familiar with each sound on its own, so that I can identify it better. And we can't forget about the practice your text feature. This one is a lifesaver. You can type in any text you're curious about, and then you speak it, and the AI will give you grades on your pronunciation immediately. This has gotten my clients through emergency situations more than once. Let's try together. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? There you go. Sometimes that is the emergency situation. When you're practicing, you're going to come across words that are challenging, that you'll want to come back to. And we've made that easy. This bookmark icon lets you bookmark a word, and then anytime you've got a minute to practice, you simply visit your bookmarks page, and there they are, all collected. You can organize them by how recently you've worked on them, or from lowest to highest score, whatever helps you switch up the material and keep it fresh. BoldVoice has so much more to offer, but this is just a quick overview. Are you ready to make progress with your American accent? Start your free 7-day trial today, and I'll see you on the app.